Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can show your search ads on Google Maps. Now, this is a very important tactic or a strategy for any local business. It can be a B2B business, B2C business, service business, pretty much any time where you have a physical store, physical location, and you want to drive foot traffic or send people to your office. This tactic is extremely important because not all conversions and interactions can be done completely online, right? So sometimes you might just want to, send people to a specific location. So that's where this tactic comes into play. So as you can see, this is just a nice image of how someone would get to see an ad when they are searching for a local business, and this really helps you to connect with local customers ready to visit your business through Google Maps. And in this guide, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable that and set it up. So as you can see over here, this is a real example. I just search for like auto shops in Cincinnati or something like that, and you can see that you will immediately see a lot of like auto shops. But then the one that stands out at the very top is the sponsored one, and as you can see, this is basically an ad that they're running. So these are the types of ads that you will probably get to see when you are planning to run Google ads and show them in Google Maps. And the way you do that is, first of all, you need to ensure that a couple of things are set up, right? And before we get into like the setup, you can see that these Google Map ads can appear, in like square pins with logos displayed directly on the map, or it can be under like sponsored listing. And why you need to do that? Because there are more than 1 billion searches on Google Maps, and 84% of the consumers prefer local searches. And Google is very smart. Like if you are not targeting that location, then it won't even show those ads, right? So a lot of like parameters needs to be like completed. And a lot of 90% of the sales occur in like physical stores when that kind of conversion happens, right? And a lot of those conversions are related to like near me searches where store visit is a priority. So the main requirement is to have three things, right? The first one is Google Business Profile. This is absolutely important. Uh, Google used to call it as Google My Business Profile, but now they have rebranded as Google Business Profile. Basically, it's very simple. Just Google My Business or Google Business Profile. You need to create an account for your business and pretty much add like all the details about your business, like what you do, your store details, and everything, right? Second thing is to have a Google Ad account. Of course, if you're running campaign, you need to have a Google Ad account. Again, super simple. Go to ads.google.com and create an account. And then you need to verify your business location. I think that's where most of the people like, hit like a roadblock, but it's actually a simple process and it takes like 2 to 3 weeks. Um, and the verification process is like pretty straightforward, right? So once you do these three things, you are essentially like done with like the main requirements of setting up the account, right? The next step is to fill out details about your information. This can include your business name, address, phone number, and then you can also include like add like photos, like if you are a restaurant owner or any of the service type business, make sure that you provide photos of your interior, exterior. It gives more authenticity, right? And then obviously like provide like more details about your profile, such as your website URL, category, and description, which not just helps with like advertising on Google Maps, but it also helps you with like local SEO. And as I said, like once you finish the verification, that part is done. Now the second step is really connecting both the accounts, which is your Google Business Profile that you just created and your Google Ads account. So using the same email, make sure that it's the same email, you can then connect those two platforms, right? And then the way you do that is through your inside a Google Ads account, and I will show you a screenshot. There is something called as Data Manager under Tools, and that's where you can start the connection process. All you have to do is go there, click on connect product, and choose your business profile from the available options, and then complete the linking. So this is how it looks like. Go to Google Ads, click on tools, data manager, and then click on there will be like a list of like products. Just select like Google business profile, and that's it, you're done. So it's as simple as that. Once you are done with the connection, the next step is to actually utilize that Google business profile inside your Google Ads to, display them as an asset or a location, right? So you add location as assets. So in Google Ads, you can click on any of the campaign that you're running, click on ads and assets, and then select location asset. This is where you can add your verified Google business that you just connected to enable in map ads. And you can then, once you have added that location, you need to make sure that you're actually targeting. There's no point in like just simply adding, but if you're not targeting, Google is not going to show the ad, right? So under campaign settings, go to your location and define your geographic targeting. Make sure that your location is within that targeting, right? So that way, when someone searches for that ad, or when someone searches for your service within that geo-targeted location, Google will show that location and direction in map ads. And then you can obviously like adjust like the bidding strategy and things like that, right? So again, the way you do that is, I have a screenshot over here. Go to campaigns, click on assets, and then click on the location over here. And then if you don't see any of the assets, it means you have not added. So basically click on this plus, and then it will automatically pull the location that you just connected in the previous step. And that's pretty much it. That's a very simple setup. And once you add that as an asset, your ads will be displayed in Google Map Ads. That's how cool it is. So after that, it's more about your campaign optimization. So you can use like location specific terms in your keywords. So include like geographic identifier, like coffee shop in Chicago, or Seattle dentist, right? Include near me keyword, like capture high intent mobile searches like dentist near me or hardware store near me. Business specific services, for example, let's say you offer like emergency plumbing services or same day haircut. Those are some really nice way to show urgency and unique aspects of your business. And then even like visit intent keyword, like for example, focus on terms indicating like store visit rather than just information gathering, right? So those are some ways you can optimize your campaign using the right keywords. And then you can obviously track your map ads performance. And I'll show you a screenshot. Basically, in your Google Ads campaign dashboard, you can click on segment, click on click type, and then that's where you can see like map related interaction to understand like how users engage with your business. So the way you do that is, as you can see, this is your dashboard. You will see a table view. Basically click on segment and then click on click type, and then it will give you a breakdown like this, all the different like assets. And then this is where you will get to see like how many interactions you have gotten for like driving directions and get location details. So that's how you'll get to see like how many people are clicking on like get directions, or how many people are clicking on your location. So you'll then understand the effectiveness. If many people are clicking on it, it basically means that your location ads or your map ads is performing well, and that you're intending with the user's query. If you're targeting, if everything is connected, but if you're not getting impressions, it means there's something wrong going on with the targeting, right? So that's how you can analyze your performance. So as you can see, pretty effective strategy. And as you can see, the steps are pretty simple. So again, to go through as a refresher, create a Google My Business account, Google Ad account, complete the verification, connect the two accounts, add the location as an asset, and then track the performance. As simple as that. So I hope this video was useful in terms of how to run location ads or map ads. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you need any help, shoot me an email. And make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.